Independence Day in India, national holiday celebrated annually on August 15. Independence Day marks the end of British rule in 1947 and the establishment of a free and independent Indian nation. It also marks the anniversary of the partition of the subcontinent into two countries, India and Pakistan, which occurred at midnight on August 14 and 15, 1947. In Pakistan, Independence Day is celebrated on August 14. The Indian independence movement began during World War I and was led by Mohandas K. Gandhi, who advocated for a peaceful and non-violent end to British rule. Independence Day is marked throughout India with flag raising ceremonies, drills, and the singing of the Indian national anthem. Additionally, various cultural programs are made available in the state capitals. After the Prime Minister participates in the flag raising ceremony at the Red Fort historic monument in Old Delhi, a parade ensues with members of the armed forces and police. The Prime Minister then delivers a televised address to the country, recounting the major accomplishments of India during the previous year and outlining future challenges and goals. Kite flying has also become an Independence Day tradition, with kites of various sizes, shapes, and colors filling the sky. Thousands laid down their lives so that our country breathed this day. Never forget the sacrifice. Happy Independence Day!